Welcome to Selenium WebDriver Training Session 14. This is Haradhan once again as usual. Today I will discuss what are the different operations we can perform on the image. Right? We can click any of the image. We can verify the properties of the image. We can drag and drop any image from any location to another location. So this is the operation can be performed. So I will show you. Image links are the link in web page represented by an image which when clicked sometimes navigate to different window or page. Sometimes it's open in the same page, sometimes it used to open in the different window, different page. Okay. User cannot use by link text or by partial link text method because image link basically have no link text at all. It is better to use CSS or XPath whenever you want to deal with the image. Okay. So I will show you one example. Suppose if you open the Facebook, right, and if you want to click on the Facebook link, right, so it is a link, right, kind of image. Okay. Here similarly, suppose if you open the Reddit page, right, and you can see if you want to click on the particular image, right, so you can see the tag name is starting with img. Okay, so easily you can identify that it is an image, right. You can see no link partial link can text is available, so you can't use the link text partial link text. Similarly here also no ID is there, right, no name is there, you can't use it. So obviously you have to use your using the XPath. Suppose for the Facebook page, if you press F12 button from the keyboard, right, and there will be an inspect element open, right. If you place the cursor to the Facebook link, you can see it is an starting with I, right. So it is an also image. You can see logo kind of stuff, right. So you need to identify the XPath. Here you can see nothing is available, right. So you can't whatever class is also available, it will not work sometimes. Okay. So you need to click on that particular link using the XPath only. So here first I have created a class image operation under the project training. Okay, here I already set the properties for the Chrome drivers, and we are launching the Chrome browser using the WebDriver interface and the Chrome driver class, and we are maximizing it and we are passing the URL for Facebook, right. Then suppose let's click on the forgot password link. Okay, so how can I identify it? The properties, you can see the link text is there, right. So I can go ahead with the identify with the link text driver dot find element by dot link. In case I want to give the full, so I need to go with the link text. In case I want to give some partial portion, obviously I have to use the partial part. Forgotten or account part, I can use it. Okay, it will click on the particular button, right. So it will click on the button. So it will click on the forgot password button, right. So it will open that particular page, right, where what is starting with Facebook. You can see the title is forgotten password, right, cannot log into the Facebook, right. Okay, then if you click on the logo here, right, so again it will move to the Facebook. So you can see the title is coming as, right, Facebook login or sign up, right. So let's click on that here, forgot link, and then I need to identify the Facebook link. I need to click on that link, right. So here I need to identify the properties for the Facebook image, right. So here you need to right click and take the XPath, copy, and you can take the XPath or CSS selector, right. So I will take the XPath. So after clicking on the forgotten account, then again I am navigating to the, clicking on the Facebook image, right? By dot xpath, and you need to click on that dot click. So after clicking on that, right? So if I want to verify the titles, right? So how can I verify it? So for that I need to store the title in a string variable. So it's title equal to driver dot get title dot get title or get URL. I can store the URL, right? Get title. Let's say get title. Okay. Just simply use an if and else loop. If title, whatever I have stored in the title variable dot contents. Okay. The particular part Facebook or Facebook hyphen login, right? Facebook hyphen log say. If that particular title contains this thing, then I want to verify that like my test case is passed. Or else I want to verify the test case is failed. Okay. So whatever code I have written, first I am opening the Facebook page, right? Then I am clicking on the forgot password link. Then again, after clicking on that, again I am clicking on the Facebook image, right? So it will again back to the Facebook home page, right? So after backing that, I am just backing to the home page. I am storing the title of that particular home page in the string data type as title variable, and I am matching if the title contains Facebook hyphen log that particular words, then my test case is passed, otherwise test case is failed. So that's why we can perform the operation on an image and you can verify the different kind of stuffs, right? We can verify title, we can verify the URL, we can verify the source code like that. So it will launch the Chrome browser, it will maximize it, it will pass the URL for Facebook, then it will click on the forgot password link, forgotten account particular link. We can see it is clicking, right? And again it is back to the Facebook, right? Here you can see test case is failed because title Facebook hyphen. So let's get the title first, print out the title XYSO title. So after that I can match it with, right? Maybe sometimes some problem is there. First I want to take the title, then I will title match it. So it will launch the browsers. Because whatever we have written is not matching, that is the reason it is failing. So it will click on the forgotten account link and then again it will click on the Facebook image. So again Facebook homepage is being displayed, right? So here you can see test case is failed. So if I write here so what should be obviously the content, that is the reason it is not working. If we type only the Facebook part, it will be working. And here before clicking on that I want to wait for some time. thread dot sleep. Okay, 3000. 3 seconds it will wait, and we need to surround with try catch block. So after clicking on the forgotten account link, so it will wait for 3 seconds. Then it will click on the right Facebook image. Then it will print the titles. If title is matching with the Facebook, then it will be pass. Else it will be fail. Let's run it and let's see. Because whenever we are using the contents, right? Obviously we need to use the single word. Okay, it cannot be multiple words with the space and other stuff. It will not work. So you need to use the match. Then it will exactly need to provide the title. So it will match it. Then it will pass. So it is opening the Facebook. Then it is clicking on the forgotten account. Right? You can see. And after that it will wait for 3 minutes and then again clicking on the 3 seconds and clicking on the Facebook. Right? Particular image. Right? And you can see right now, you can see test case is passed. Now if you want to exactly give that particular word, right, you can give it. So instead of contents, we need to use titles match, title dot match, and you need to provide the string. And instead of 3 seconds, you can wait for 5 seconds as well, or 7 seconds. So it will be better that you can easily verify that whether it is waiting, clicking on the forgotten link and then again clicking on the image, Facebook image. So if you run it, so you launch the Chrome browsers, it will pass the URL for Facebook. Then it will click on the forgotten account link. Then after that it will wait for 7 seconds. Right? And then after that it will click on the Facebook image. Okay. Then it will provide the output based on the condition we have made. Right? We have given. So here you can see this case is getting fast, right? Because my title is exactly matching, right? Here I have given the condition is title match because that is the expected and it is matching exactly. That is the reason test case is getting fast. Okay. So that's why you can click on the any image and you can verify the different kind of attributes. Now I will show you the drag and drop part. Okay. So for drag and drop part, we need to open the URLs. Okay. It will be better if we open the URL, this URL, right? And here also I just providing changing the URL so that it will open that URL. Here you can see, right? There are some amount field is there and there is some debit and credit field is there, right? So I can suppose drag that particular here to the amount field, right? Okay. So this drag and drop is successful. So how can you drag and drop it? Let's refresh the page. So first I need to identify the source element, right? So I need to inspect it. So I will take the XPath for the source. Copy XPath. So I will create the web element source equal to find diver dot find element. So by dot XPath. I need to provide the XPath, right, for the source, and Here you can see some error message is coming because we need to import the web element as from the org.openqi.selenium packages. Once the import is successful, you can see error message gone. Similarly, I need to also create an instance or object for target element. Okay. So what will be my target? Target I want to place here, right? So I need to identify the target. So I need to copy the XPath for the target, and I need to paste simply here. Okay. So in the PPT I have written drag and drop is an actions which performed with a mouse when user moves or drags a web element and then places drops into alternate area. So drag means you want to move a particular source element to another places, right? Dropping it alternate area. The action class has two methods that support drag and drop. One is action dot drag and drop, then source locator and destination locator, and another is action dot drag and drop source locator and x pixels destination locator and y pixel destination locator. In case you exactly don't know the destination locator, you can use the pixel format, x pixel and y pixel. First I will show how, in case we are sure about the destination and source and destination, then obviously we can go ahead, right? Need to use the action class. We need to create an object or instance for the action class, new actions. We need to provide the driver. Okay, WebDriver object reference we need to provide. So that is driver, right? Here you can see some error message is still coming. So I need to click on that. I need to import the action class from org.openqi.selenium.introductions, right? So once it is done, you can see error message gone, only one message is there. So I need to use that particular object at whatever I created for the action class dot drag and drop, right? So I already created the source and I already created the target. Okay, so I am providing source and destination dot build dot perform. That is the syntax you need to use it. So for drag and drop, you need to open the URL and you need to identify the source, right? Web element by XPath, CSS, whatever is there, and you need to also where you want to place it. Okay, in the web page you need to identify the target. Then you need to use the action class. You need to create an object or instance for the action class where you need to provide the reference object reference for that web drivers. Then you need to use the drag and drop method. So obviously we are creating the source and target. That is the reason you have to provide the source and target object reference. Then build method and then perform method. So if you run the program, it will work. It will drag and drop that particular element to the destination element from the source. So it will open the URL. Right, you can see. So 5,000 from here it is dragging and it is placing that amount field, right? Under the amount field, right? Here you can see. So it is working fine, right? That way you can drag and drop any element, whatever is there. So bank you can drag and drop here, like so sales you can drag and drop here using that drag and drop method. Okay, and using the source and target destination. Source and target. Okay, and I will show you again how we can drag and drop using the pixel format. Okay, so let's open another URL. Here I need to pass that URL also, right? Let's comment out driver dot get. We need to pass that URL here. Okay. So here also I am passing that URL. Okay. After passing the URL, you can see some drag, right, option is there and drop option is there. You can drag and drop here. Okay. Let's keep it. let's identify the element, right? Let's identify the first the source element. Here you can see ID is there, right? Drag deep, so I can identify the element using the ID. So let's create a web element, web element, okay? Drag source equal to driver dot find element, and it is identifiable by ID, so I will create with ID only, and we need to close with semicolon, right? Now what is the syntax I need to use? I need to use accents, right? Then drag and drop by source locator and x pixel and destination, y pixel destination. So already here I have created the action class, so I need to use the same action class, and here instead of target I am providing the drag source, and instead of target I will provide the source and destination x pixel and y pixel. Suppose 100 and 0 I want to drag and drop, okay? Change to drag and drop by, okay? It will be drag and drop by, okay? Here you can see it is drag and drop by, not the drag and drop, because drag and drop will work only if you know the source and destination selector, right? Do source locator and destination locator. In case you are not sure about the destination locator and you want to move by some x pixel and x axis pixel and y axis pixel, you need to use the drag and drop by method, okay? If you use the method, you need to provide the source and the destination will be two thing, right? X axis pixel and y axis pixel. If you run the program, let's see how it is working. So it will open the particular URL, it will identify the source locator, then it will move it to source locator to x pixel 100 and y pixel 0. You can see, right? So y pixel means vertical wise it is not shifting, right? It is, sorry, horizontal wise it is not shifting, it is shifting on the vertical wise, okay? You can see it is working fine, right? Now if you want to move it to y axis wise, you have to provide that particular thing. So it will obviously shift and down, right? So whenever you are giving any positive value in the x axis, it will shift right, and if you provide any positive value in the y axis, it will shift down, right? You can see it shift down, okay? Now see, let's provide some value as minus sign, that means it will shift left, and provide some value to the 0 in the y axis. So let's see how it is working. So it will move to left, right? Horizontal wise. No vertical shipment will be there whenever you are providing the x axis. In case you are providing the negative sign, so it will shift left 50x, right? Pixel, you can see 50 pixel is shifting left, okay? Now if you want to shift both way with negative sign, you can also do it, right? So it will shift left 100 pixel and it will shift up 100 pixel, okay? So let's run the code and let's see. So it will open the page, then it will move the element to 100 pixel left and to 100 pixel up. So that's why, okay? Using these two methods, drag and drop, in case you are sure about the source and destination locator, you can use it. In case you are not sure about the destination locator and you want to shift some pixels on the x-axis or y-axis, left, right, top, button, so you can use the drag and drop by, right? So that's all for today's session. Thank you all for watching my videos. In case you are enjoying my videos and learning automation testing in Java, please like and share my videos. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification as and when I will upload any new videos. Please do not forget to provide your valuable comment for any input or suggestion. Stay tuned for my next video.